Lesson 2, Ubuntu. So firstly, what do we mean by Ubuntu? Ubuntu is a powerful Nguni Bantu term that means human kindness for caring, sharing and being in harmony with all of the creation. So it is a word given by a tribe Nguni Bantu, and what does it mean? It means that humans should be careful, sharing with all the creations of God. It is believed that there is a string that unites all the people of the world. What is being believed? That there is a string, there is something which tie all the people of the world. Use Cordova Smart Class software on smartboard in class to read and understand Ubuntu in a better way. So that you can see on Cordova site too. So let's start it. Once there was an anthropologist. Firstly, who is anthropologist? He is a person who study human race. Many kinds of human are there, as you will see. People of India, America, Africa, they are totally different in their looks, the way they speak, the way they live their life. So a person named as anthropologist is a person who study about all this. He was studying the habits and customs of a tribe in Africa, and what he was doing, he was studying habits, custom, the way they live of the tribal people of Africa. Tribal are those people who lives in a group. They are not they specifically don't live at home, but they lives in group. He chose a village located near hill for his study. Okay, a tribe inhabited the hill and the surrounding areas for many years. For many years they were living there. The villagers and the children were illiterate. Illiterate means those who don't know how to read and write. Okay, illiterate. And knew nothing about education. They don't know anything about education. Okay. When the man reached the village, the man took him to the village. Okay. So when he reached over there, all the men, they took them into the village. The man found the villagers lived in a very simple way. Okay, sorry. They lived in a simple life. So what he found, that when he gone there, he saw all villagers, they were living very simple life. The villagers were kind and made the man feel at home. They feel him very comfortable over there. The man explained to villagers about wanting to educate the children. The villagers were very happy to hear about this. So man said, I want to educate your children if you like so. And the villagers, they were happy enough when they heard them. The villagers were very happy to hear about this, as I told you. The man gathered the children and made a schedule for them. He made a timetable, as you can say, as you have your timetable in school, na? Like first period will be of English, Hindi and all. Same way he made a schedule that from which timing he will make them study until for how many hours and all. But the response from children seemed to be slow. But as you know, they don't know anything about education, so their response, okay, whatever he taught them, they were not able to catch that properly. Why do you think the anthropologist chose a village for his study? Why do you think so? This was because, see, people living in cities, towns, they are educated and they know how to live their life, and most of them you will find are educated and they live their life comfortably. But the tribal people, they are not educated, they don't know about what is going on in world. So he thought to bring them in the same way, so that they can live the life as we are living, so that they can be comfortable. They do not have to face the problems which they are facing right now due to lack of education and knowledge, so that they should not feel so. That was the reason why anthropologists chose that illiterate village to study, and he chose to teach the kids over there. One day the man visited the nearby market. There he saw a woman selling candies. He was so tempted by the candies that he wanted to buy them. So one day the man, he gone to the market and he saw that a lady was selling candies, and the candies were too good. He was too tempted by them that he thought I should buy them.